In the same way, let's go ahead and complete our venture activity 7.1 and 7.2 under module 7. So venture activity 7.1 and 7.2 is about business model. So here first we will select the revenue model and a pricing, and then create a business model using lean canvas. So let's start with module 7.1. First you can go ahead and review different types of business model and what are they. Go ahead, select an appropriate revenue model for your primary customer segment. So I'm going to select product manufacturing model. If it is not listed over here, you can select this blank tab and mention product manufacturing. Go ahead, for the primary customer segment, estimate how much you will charge them per unit of the product or service. As we had mentioned even before, we are going to charge 2,500. Enter the detail, click next. Go ahead, now enter what will be a revenue model for your secondary customer segment. Complete this venture activity and hit complete.